If you find yourself hitting a wall at 2 p.m. every single day, I'm going to tell you something that might shock you. It's not because you didn't get enough sleep. It's because of what you ate for breakfast this morning. You see, most of us are starting our day by pouring the wrong kind of fuel into our engines, and it's setting us up for brain fog, intense cravings, and that afternoon crash that feels absolutely inevitable. But what if I told you there's one simple dietary change that can fix this almost instantly? And no, it's not keto, it's not intermittent fasting, and you definitely don't have to starve yourself. Today, we're going to talk about swapping your carb-heavy morning meal for a high-protein breakfast. I'm going to show you exactly why this one small change makes a massive difference. First things first, we need to get off the energy roller coaster. When you start your day with toast, a sugary cereal, or a bagel, your blood sugar spikes dramatically. For about 30 minutes, you feel fantastic, on top of the world. But then, your body releases a flood of insulin to deal with all that sugar, and your energy levels crash just as hard. That's the real reason you're yawning at your desk by mid-afternoon. But when you begin your day with a protein-rich meal, like eggs or Greek yogurt, that spike never happens. Instead, you get a slow, steady release of energy that keeps you focused and alert for hours. No more highs and lows, just consistent fuel. The second major benefit is that this change literally helps you turn off your hunger hormones. Protein is incredibly effective at reducing ghrelin, which is often called the hunger hormone because it's what sends signals to your brain telling you to eat. Scientific studies have shown that consuming around 30 grams of protein in the morning can significantly reduce those late-night cravings. Think about that for a second. By simply changing what you eat for breakfast, you're actually preventing yourself from mindlessly snacking on chips or cookies while you're re-watching Netflix at 9 o'clock at night. It's like built-in, automatic portion control that works all day long without you even having to think about it. So, how do you actually put this into practice? I know what you're thinking, and no, you don't need to be cooking a full steak dinner at 7 in the morning. Making this switch can be incredibly simple and fast. I'm going to give you 3 super easy swaps you can make starting tomorrow. Option number 1 is Greek yogurt. It's a powerhouse. A single serving can have double the protein of regular yogurt. Just throw in a handful of berries for some flavor and fiber, and you have a perfect breakfast in under a minute. Option number 2 is a classic for a reason: eggs. Whether you like them scrambled, fried, or boiled, just 2 or 3 eggs will provide a solid dose of protein that will keep you feeling full and satisfied right up until lunchtime. You can even hard-boil a batch at the beginning of the week for a quick grab-and-go option. And finally, option number 3 is for those days when you are in a serious rush. Just grab a quality protein shake. Look for one with minimal added sugar. It takes about 30 seconds to mix and drink, but it will buy you hours of sustained focus and energy. You don't have to completely overhaul your entire life overnight. Just try this one simple experiment for the next 3 days. Commit to changing your breakfast to one of these high-protein options and pay close attention to how you feel around 2 p.m. I'm willing to bet you'll notice that your afternoon fatigue has practically vanished. If you're interested in more simple hacks like this to upgrade your biology and feel amazing every single day, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.